Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of making a new or changing a shortcut key. If your shortcut is already being used by something else, so let's say you use the star tool a lot, well, there's no shortcut for the star, and it's not that big a deal because you can just go star and just move over and get a star tool. But if you want to make a shortcut key for other things and that might be used, like with the letter S for star, well, S has already been used for smooth. So let's go to Tools, Customization, Commands. You can go down, it's in your toolbox, you can go down to star, or like in the previous video, you can go to star and double click on it and it'll bring it up. Then go to your shortcut key, and if for some reason it moves off, but there's star. We're going to assign it a shortcut key, and you can see that S is already used. Well, let's make it A. So it records everything. Let's make it AS, assign, and OK. Now we've got our pick tool, but we want the star tool. I just have to type in AS, and it gives me the star tool. So you can do that with any hotkey. You can have multiple keys. You don't have to use letters. You can use numbers. Pretty much any key on the keyboard will work, with the exception of maybe Enter or Shift. And also, if it's close to it, you can go Control or Alt plus another number at the same time. You could actually have alternate A, and it gives you select all. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.